ain't got my eye on you. Hypnotized by you. I ain't got my eye on you. Hypnotized by you.
Now you tryna pull up to my crib, I think you really gotta go. Just go. Go. Just
Shimmy, shimmy, you shimmy ya, drank, swallow la la.
Dog, I cannot wait to try these wings from Taco Bell. Bro, you gonna be shitting for 3 weeks. Nah. Man, no I'm not. Stop playing. Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. How may I take your order? Yeah, let me get those new chicken wings y'all got. You sure about that, sir? Oh. Wait, what do you mean am I sure? Oh, nothing. Next window, please. Nah. Here you go, sir. Good luck. I mean, enjoy. Thank you. Ooh, bro, I'm about to dig in. Hey, bro, why's your hand shaking? Bro, I don't know. Oh, dog, why is your head twitching? Dog, I don't know. You see, I told you not to eat those. Bro, wake up. Bro, wake up. Nah, Jit ate some raccoon ankles. He ain't never waking up. That's crazy.
Chest, my chest. Oh, I am about to faint. I am about to faint. I am about to faint now. I will faint. Oh, my chest, my chest.
Me or Mystery Human?
Mystery Human.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me show you what you're missing.
Oh my god, he's a girlfriend.
Oh.
You don't have to
I ate 5 homeless people because I thought they were